Hello and welcome guys to today's market recap. I didn't took a trade. Yeah, I didn't took a trade. You can ask me why. Because yesterday was a very volatile day. We had NFP, we had Powell speaks, we had President Trump speaks, we had employment claims, and much more, bro. And crypto summit and White House. There's a fucking bunch of fucking high impact news. Why would I already told you guys yesterday that I'm not going to trade. I already told you that. And I found the setup and I didn't enter it because I was not liking the price action at all. It was very volatile and I'm going to explain everything for you. So without that being said, let's go straight into today's video. So starting off with the daily. We had these previous daily highs and these previous daily lows. Price did end up taking these daily lows, especially with this overall downtrend. I'm bearish at that. We had a bearish S&T at the daily. With that, good 4 hour, we have a big ass fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Breaker block got filled, and I'm saying alright, we are going down to take out these lows and these lows. But with that, I went to the 1 hour. Hold on, let me show you. To the 1 hour. This is Asian session opens. We came down, we made this low, and we made this high. And right when London session opened, we pretty much kept consolidating. We created, hold on. We created the equal highs at these Asian session highs. We didn't took them, but we did make an equal highs, relevant equal highs. So with that, New York session opened. I didn't want to trade right when New York session opens. I wanted to wait for the news that came out at 2:30 p.m. and news came out bearish for the USD. Bearish for the USD, it means bullish for the GPY. Bullish for the GPY, it means bearish for the GBP. That's how it works. We had this 1 hour bearish SMT with GBP, GPY. And with that, I went straight into the 15 minute. I wanted price to break down from this break the structure and then make a market structure shift, close below it and retrace into these key levels, and with that I will take a trade. But that did not happen, and I waited for the close and it already bear run it, not bull run it, bear run it to my jaws on liquidity. So by that time I scaled down to the 5 minute. I know we got a market structure shift on the 5 minute, and we got a retracement into the breaker, but there were only a breaker. We didn't fill up equilibrium. We didn't have a little bit higher time frame fair value gap like the 5 minute or the 15 minute. We only had that at the 1 minute, and I don't usually take trades based on a good I mean by that is like I use the fair value gap as a direction confluence. I mean by that is a high time frame confluence. I don't usually use fair value gaps as a trade continuation on the lower time frame, like on the 1 minute. This could have been pretty much ran out like immediately. so I didn't take that in perspective. By this time I said, okay, what if we invalidate this 1 minute bearish fair value gap? I said not enough. Then what if we broke structure to the downside? I said, okay, if I enter it right here, I don't know where to put my stop loss at. I was thinking, alright, I'm going to put it here. Then I said, no, that's too tight, because my drawn liquidity are these daily lows, previous daily lows. That will give me 1 to 1.6, but I didn't like that. I wanted price to make this, hold on, close below this and then retrace back. Hold on, close below, retrace back, make a good amount of confluence, like fair value gap equilibrium or something like that with the breaker, and then another structure on the 1 minute breaker structure, and then I will enter the trade. But that did not happen, and price just kept going down. I couldn't catch the trade. I didn't want to trade with FOMO, fear of missing out. I stayed patient and I didn't enter a single trade, even though my bias was right. My drawn liquidity got taken out and everything. But I call it a solid day. Why? Because I stick to my trading plan, stick to my trading rules. I didn't trade with emotions. I could have literally entered this trade right here, but I said no, I'm not. I said I'm not going to trade today. I'm not going to trade. Price action is very shitty and everything. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and peace out.